Noise, make some noise in this bitch. Yeah, I love coming down here. This is my third time here. You motherfuckers, I have a ball with y'all every time I'm here. You motherfuckers get fucked up in this last room. I swear to God, you niggas be here clowning, man. I swear to God. Preacher being here and everything drunk. Like, what is Reverend Johnson doing here drinking? Yeah, fucked up. It's cold in the motherfucker down here this time. I swear to God, I ain't used to that shit. I usually come down here around the summertime. Be a little better outside. It's fucked up. I ain't being from a city that's known for being cold. Like, I'm from Chicago. So I can't go nowhere else and get cold. People act like something fucking wrong with me if I catch a chill. Like I'm retarded or something, you know what I'm saying? I swear to God, they always say the same dumb ass shit. Like I got out of the car and jumped in the car with John. I jumped in the car, I was like, shit, man, it's cold in the motherfucker in here. This nigga gonna look at me talking about, for real? Yeah, ain't you from Chicago? You should be used to the cold. Like, really, nigga? That's the dumbest shit I ever heard in my fucking life. You don't get used to the cold. I don't give a fuck where you from. That's like being out with a nigga that been shot 5 times. And somebody starts shooting in the club and he run, and you run up on him like, for real? Nigga, you scared? You should be used to bullets. Like, fuck, I am used to them, but I ain't immune, motherfucker. Bullet is a bullet, motherfucker. I swear to God.